In today's video, I'll show you how to delete columns or rows in Notion. So at first, just be on your workspace. This is my workspace. I already got a table created. Let's say, for example, I want to create a new row. It says click to add and drag to add or remove rows. So it already says how to remove it. So to add rows, let's say I keep adding rows, but I don't need so many rows. What to do then? I can simply click and drag it down and it will close out the rows. I can drag it down to add rows and drag it up to remove the rows. And there's another way to delete the rows. So let's say I want to delete this specific row, this one. So I'll just go in front of it, then just click on it, and I'll get an option called delete. Just click on that, and it will delete only that specific row. And basically, that is how to delete rows in Notion. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe.